Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Loginate. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to activate your Halifax credit card online. To do so, firstly you'll have to go to your preferred web browser. Then, on the URL box at the top, you may type in halifax.co.uk/creditcards/activate, then press enter. This will directly take you to their website right under the Activate Credit Cards page. Once you're here, then you may scroll down. Then, right under Online Form Guide, you can see Activate Your Credit Card button. You may click on Activate Your Credit Card button to do so. Then, here you'll have to enter your details to activate and set up your credit card. You may enter your credit card number on the first text box. After that, you may enter the date of birth. Then, lastly, you'll have to enter the expiry date of your credit card. Once you enter all these details correctly, then you may just click on the Activate button at the bottom right corner highlighted in blue. Once you click on that, your credit card will be activated. This is how you can easily activate your Halifax credit card online. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.